Hello friends, welcome to Tech and Rush. This is Kunal Singh. So today we are going to talk about Arduino. So many of you may have heard about the name Arduino. So what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs such as light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message and turn it into an output such as activating a motor, turning on an LED, or publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. So you have learned what is Arduino. Now why we choose Arduino? So we choose Arduino for its simple and accessible user experience. Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. The Arduino software is easy to use for beginners yet flexible enough for advanced users. It runs on Mac, Windows and Linux. So you may got some interest on Arduino. So if you notice, there are many kind of Arduino boards available in the market. So the Arduino boards are classified according to their microcontrollers. So the microcontrollers are like ATmega 8. So Arduino NG is based on ATmega 8 microcontroller. Next, ATmega 168. So Arduino Nano, Arduino LilyPad, Arduino Decimilia, Arduino Duo Analog and Arduino Mini is based on ATmega 168. Next, ATmega 328. So Arduino Ethernet, Arduino FIO, Arduino Uno are based on ATmega 328. Next, ATmega 1280. So Arduino Mega 1280, Arduino Micro, Arduino Ion, Arduino LilyPad USB and Arduino Leonardo are based on ATmega 1280. Next, ATmega 2560. So Arduino Mega 2560 and Arduino ADK are based on ATmega 2560. Next, ATsam 3x80. So Arduino Duo is based on ATsam 3x80. So next, there are also Arduino Shields available in the market. So what is Arduino Shields? So Arduino Shields are modular circuit boards that piggyback your Arduino to install it with extra functionality. So what are they? The Arduino Motor Shield, Arduino USB Host Shield, Arduino Wireless SD Shield, Arduino Relay Shield and Arduino GSM Shield with Arduino Ethernet are very popular Arduino shields available in the market. Now, so far you have learned about the names of different Arduino boards and Arduino shields available in the market. In my next video, I shall discuss about the Arduino boards in more detail. Till then, watch this channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.